Withdrawing money from your Uber account after an account review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Access your Uber account. Log into your Uber account using the Apple website. Ensure that you have completed any necessary account verification or review processes before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the Earnings section. Once logged in, find the Earnings or Wallet section in the app. This area will display your available balance and any pending payments. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escher.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method. Options may include direct deposit to your bank account or transferring to a debit card. Make sure your payment information is up to date. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and method. Once confirmed, submit your request. You should receive a notification once the transaction is processed. After completing these steps, you should successfully withdraw your funds from your Uber account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.